Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting video for you all wherein I'll be showing you my recent purchases from Nykaa. So yeah, if that interests you, please keep on watching. But before that, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and next to that there is a bell icon. Do hit that out so that you will be notified every time I upload any new video. And if you would like to follow me on Instagram guys, do follow me there also, and the handle will be there in the description box below. So yes, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, so let's start with the skincare now. So the first product that I got is from Dot & Key. So this is one of their skincare product. This is one of their anti-defense green clay mask, and let me open it for you. This is how the tub looks like, and this is how the product looks like. And let me tell you guys, if you're on the oilier side, this mask is such an amazing mask, because at the time you apply this mask, the cooling sensation that it gives you is amazing. And the cost of this particular mask is around, yeah, this mask costed me 695 rupees. So that is that. The second product that I have is from PAC. That is their cleansing gel, and let me show you how the bottle looks like. So ये उनका एक क्लिनजिंग जेल है. जैसे आप क्लिनजिंग बाम यूज़ करते हो, वैसे ही नॉर्मली आप इसको भी यूज़ करके अपना मेकअप रिमूव कर सकते हो. द ओनली ड्रॉबैक दैट आई फाउंड इन दिस प्रोडक्ट इज़ दैट द स्मेल, द फ्रेगरेंस ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट इज़ सो बैड यू गाइज. मीन्स अगर आप फ्रेगरेंस एलर्जिक हो, देन आई डोंट थिंक यू विल गोइंग टू लाइक दिस प्रोडक्ट. बट इन टर्म्स ऑफ मेकअप ये बहुत ही अच्छे से मेकअप को उतारता है, एंड दैट रिटेल्स फॉर अबाउट 695 रुपीज़. सो येस, that is my second product. And another product that I have is from Nykaa. That is their Clay It Cool Sebum Control Clay Mask, and this is also one of the clay masks guys, and let me show you how that looks like. So this is how the product looks like. So again, if you're on the oilier side, because अगर हम oily skin की बात करते हैं तो I think clay masks are wonderful for those people. So as soon as I use it much, then I'll be able to review it for you. And if we talk about the cost of it, this retails for about 599 rupees. So that is that. So that was all about skincare product guys. Let's move into makeup. So first product in makeup that I got is this Miss Claire's Full Coverage Makeup Concealer. That is their orange concealer. So this is the first time I am trying this product guys. So this retails for about 275 rupees. So yeah, that is that. And next product that I got is this. This is from Swiss Beauty. That is their kajal, and let me show you how this looks like. And let me tell you guys, this kajal is so creamy. This is like in electric blue color. This glides so smoothly guys, means such a lovely color. You can see it over here on my hand. So I think let's see how this works on eyes. So the next product that I have is from K Beauty. That is their kajal, and guys, this is my first ever product from K Beauty. So I thought of giving it a try because I heard a lot of people raves about it. So that is their kajal. So let's see how that works for me. So yeah, I'll just give it a try and let's see how that works for me. So that is the another product that I got. And next product that I got is from Maybelline. I think this is one of the cult product that we see on YouTube. That is the loose powder, and I'm in the shade 20 light medium. And if you talk about the cost of this product, I think I'm not sure, I can't see the cost, but I think this powder retails for around 650. So yeah, that is that. And the next product that I got is from L'Oreal. That is their Rouge Signature Duo. So that was actually in an offer. We are getting two of the lip shade at the cost of 849 rupees. But if you talk about the actual cost of this particular duo, that is around 1300. So that was in the offer. So let me show you two of the colors. Shades आपको मिल जाते हैं. That is how you can see that. And the shades that I got are these two. 121 I choose. Let me show you the swatch of it quickly. That is how the bottle looks like, and that is how the lipstick looks like. Such a beautiful mauvey shade. Another shade that I got is 115. I'm worth it. This is how it looks like. And again, this is also a beautiful color, guys. Look at it. So when you talk about this color, this is not that red color. This is more on the pink side. जो इसका undertone है, that is on the pink side. So yeah, that is that. So these were the two lipsticks that I got for just 849 rupees. So I think that was a steal for me. Okay, so the next product that I have is from Maybelline. That is their compact. And I'm in the shade 118 light beige, and this compact costed me 199 rupees. So guys, this is how it looks like, and that is how the product looks like. So yeah, I even started using it, and मुझे ये काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है because the product quality is amazing. Though if you talk about the quality of this plastic, that is very clumsy, बहुत ही sturdy नहीं है. So yeah, आपको 199 में क्या ही मिलेगा, but in terms of the product and the quality you get inside this tub is amazing. So yeah, that is the next product that I got. And another product that I got is also from Maybelline. That is the another cult product, the mascara that I got. That was in the offer actually. So that is Maybelline, the Hyper Curl Easy Washable Mascara. So I think that costed me around 200 or 213, around that. So again, I don't need to say much about it because this is anyways a good product. So Maybelline में आपको anyways काफ़ी अच्छे mascaras मिल जाते हैं. And another product that I got is from Nykaa. अगर आपने मेरी लास्ट मेकअप वीडियो देखी है तो उसमें आपने मुझे ये यूज़ करते हुए देखा होगा. दिस इज़ देयर स्ट्रोब एंड ग्लो क्रीम, एंड दिस रिटेल्स फॉर अबाउट 699 रुपीज़. एंड लेट मी शो यू. सो दिस इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ लिक्विड हाइलाइटर गाइज. सो इसे आप एज अ मेकअप बेस भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, एंड इवन यू कैन यूज़ इट एज अ हाइलाइटर ऑल्सो. सो ये आपको ऐसी एक ग्लास बॉटल में मिल जाता है, एंड सो दैट इज़ हाउ द प्रोडक्ट लुक्स लाइक. और आपको बहुत ही एक डॉट ही लेनी है इसकी अगर आप इसे एज अ हाइलाइटर यूज़ कर रहे हो. सो दैट इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. वेरी क्रीमी and very pigmented, guys. Look at it. And another product that I got is from Swiss Beauty, and I think this is also one of the famous product, guys. So I haven't tried it, so मैं इसको पहली बार ट्राई कर रही हूँ. सो इसकी भी कॉस्ट अराउंड 199 रुपीज़ थी. सो दिस इज़ अ लिक्विड हाइलाइटर, एंड लेट मी शो यू हाउ दैट लुक्स लाइक. लुक एट द शेड, गाइज. See how glowy it is. So yeah, I actually wanted to try it, so that is the reason I got this one. So yeah, I'm very excited for this one. So if I'll try it, I'll definitely let you know. And another product that I got is from Wet n Wild. That is their photo focus concealer, and this costed me This costed me 399 rupees, and I'm in the shade Light Ivory, and let me show you how the bottle looks like. So this is how it looks like, and let me quickly so this is how the shade looks like. So आप देख पा रहे हो कि ये थोड़ा सा वाइट है. सो आई बेसिकली गॉट इट फॉर द हाईलाइटिंग पर्पस. सो ये मेरे टोन से एक शेड लाइटर है, लुक एट इट। और ये बहुत ही ईजिली ब्लेंड हो जाता है गाइज। दिस इज़ सच अ लवली प्रोडक्ट। एंड द अनदर प्रोडक्ट इज़ फ्रॉम नायका, दैट इज़ देयर ग्लॉस, एंड आई एम इन द शेड 05 Squad, and let me show you how the color looks like. And this is again in the mauve shade guys, but such an amazing color. And that was pretty much it. And the last product that I'm left with is this L'Oreal Paris lipstick. So this is a lipstick that I got free with these duo. सो या वहाँ पे कुछ ऑफ़र चल रहा था कि आपको लॉरियल के किसी भी परचेज पे यू विल गोइंग टू गेट अ लिपस्टिक फ्री. सो दिस इज़ अ फ्री बी दैट आई गॉट, सो आई एम हैप्पी अबाउट इट. एंड द शेड दैट आई हैव रिसीव्ड इज़ 211. एंड अगेन गाइज दिस इज़ ऑन द पिंक साइड. बहुत ही रोज़ी पिंक शेड है जो कि आई थिंक फेयर टू मीडियम स्किन टोन पे बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगने वाला है. So yes guys, that's pretty much it for today's video on my Nykaa haul. So I hope you liked it, and if you do, please give it a big fat thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and next to that there's a bell icon to hit that out so that you will be notified every time I upload any new video. So yeah guys, your support means a lot for me, so please do that. And if you have any suggestions or if you would like to see any new video from my end, do put your suggestion and comments in the below comment section, so I would love to do that. So thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for watching my video guys. Bye.